Hi guys, welcome to tutorial number 8. In this video we're gonna learn how to use all types of dimensions given in Solidworks. Let's begin with our first example. So go to Smart Dimension and under the Smart Dimension just click on this arrow and you can see all types of dimensions given over here. We're gonna learn these dimensions one by one. So here's our first example. To dimension it, just go for dimension. I've already made a video on smart dimensions. If you haven't watched that video yet, just go to the link given on the top right corner of the video. Now the first dimension is horizontal dimension. So just click on it and you can see over here a horizontal dimension icon is now attached with our pointer. So these dimensions will only work on the horizontal lines. So I'm going to click on this line and place the dimension here and just click OK. Just click OK here. Similar to this, we can apply dimensions on all horizontal lines. Just click on here and click OK. Now as it is a horizontal dimension, you cannot apply dimension on a vertical line with this command. When you try to click on the vertical line, nothing will happen. Just click OK. And if you want to dimension the vertical lines, you need to go to another dimension. Just click here and select vertical dimension. Now you can give dimensions to vertical line. Just click on here and place your dimension. Then give dimensions and press enter. Similarly, we can apply dimension on these vertical lines as well. Just place the dimension and give the distance. And just click OK. Now this is our another example to understand our next dimension, which is ordinate dimension. Just click here and select ordinate dimension. When we look on the status bar, it says select an edge or vertex and then a text location. So I'm gonna select this edge first. So this will be our baseline and place the text here. And whatever line we select from this stage, just click here and it will show up the dimensions. Just keep clicking and click here. Now here you can see all the dimensions represented over here have been calculated from this baseline, and we can also see how well arranged these dimensions are. Now just move over to our next dimension, which is horizontal ordinate dimension. Just click here. Horizontal ordinate dimension works in a similar way. Just click on this line as our baseline. And when you click on any other horizontal distance lines, it will form a dimension for you. Just keep clicking here. And you will get all the dimensions having horizontal distances. Our next dimension is vertical ordinate dimension. But if you have a look on this example, we have already discussed about the vertical ordinate dimension. So you might think about why this dimension is given over here. Let me make you understand. Ordinate dimension can work both horizontal or vertical dimension, but these dimensions, horizontal and vertical, are given for your convenience. Let's try to understand ordinate dimension with one more example. In this example, our sketch is aligned to an angle. So to apply the ordinate dimensions on these kind of sketches, we cannot use any horizontal or vertical ordinate dimension to dimension it. So just go to dimension and select ordinate dimension. Give this line as a baseline and place the value here and keep on selecting the lines. Now you have learned ordinate dimension can be used in any orientation. Now just move on to our next dimension. This sketch is made up of different curves, you can see. And if we want to dimension the whole path length, just go to dimension and select path length dimension. Just select this sketch one by one, or you can use the box selection and then click OK. Now here you can see the path length is given over here. Now click OK. So now that you have learned all types of dimensions given in SolidWorks, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell notification icon to get all the latest updates from my channel.